Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a 2017 Ford Fiesta. This is an ST line and we are going to be changing the front brake pads. So let's go over the other side and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So once we have our wheel off and we have access to our caliper, take the cap off of the reservoir up the top, and then all we want to do is get yourself a flathead screwdriver, put it in, and we're just going to push the piston back. Doing this also helps us check our sliders to make sure they're moving freely. And once we do push our piston back, we just move the inner pad back onto the piston and push it even further so it goes all the way back to its stop. And once it's there, 12mm spanner on the lower nut, and just to secure the slider in the middle here, I'm just going to use a pair of grips. Once we've taken our 12mm out, set that aside, we can now lift up our caliper just enough, but for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to take the caliper completely out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. And it does make life a little bit easier when you're cleaning up if the caliper is completely out of the way. So undo the top 12mm, and then we're just going to take the caliper out and we're just going to sit it up here, making sure there's no tension on our hydraulic line here. And now we have access to the pads, so we can just get our flathead screwdriver, we can just pop our pads completely out. Like so. And now we want to clean up all of this area here. So where the pad sits, we've got this little slider tray, whatever you want to call it, but we can take that out and we can clean that up with a wire brush. Same on the top. Just be careful not to bend these out of shape because they do lock in on these little tabs into the caliper carrier. And then we're going to clean up the face of the caliper carrier here just to make sure there's no dirt, debris, rust or anything that can push up that little slider and make our brakes stick on. If you want to go deeper with these, you can undo these two 15mm bolts here for the caliper carrier, take it completely off and do it. But normally you only do that when you're changing the disc, and because we're only changing the pads today, we can just get ourselves a wire brush and get in here. Once you give it a scrape with a wire brush, we can just check that our sliders are free. Get your flathead screwdriver and just run it along all the tops of the surfaces just to make sure there's no lumps and bumps. Just like that. Then one last wire brush. Blow out all the loose stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and clean these up on the bench just so they're all nice and shiny new. Okay, so now we've cleaned up our little inserts here. We can pop them back into position. One in the top, one in the bottom. Make sure they're seated correctly. Then we can take our new brake pads, put a little bit of copper slip on the top and the bottom, and then you want to push against this little spring and then it will just slide into place like that. We take our inside pad and we'll do exactly the same. Slide it in the top, slide it in the bottom. Now that's our pads located exactly where they need to be. So now we can take our caliper, slide it back over the top, push in your sliders here, get your 2 nuts, or sorry, bolts, and just pop them back in. Like so. And we're just going to hold the inside of this slider so it doesn't spin, and we can just do up our 12 mils. Just like that. Make sure everything moves. Now that's all back together. We can put the wheel back on and go and do the other side. So that's how you change your front brake pads on a Ford Fiesta. This is 2017. Obviously I'm going to just put the wheel back on and do the other side, but you know, don't need to see me do that. But if you like the content, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.